we will solve these two subtraction problems, 2-digit, 1-digit subtraction. We will solve these two problems. Let's get started with the first one. 59 minus 5. So we use standard algorithm for this subtraction problem. So I will divide these two place values, the digits between these two digits, 5 and 9. 9 is in the ones place and 5 is in tens place. So according to standard algorithm rule, what do? We subtract starting from the ones place, subtract place values, digit values, 9 minus 5, so that is equal to 4. So it is 1 digit, 4 is 1 digit, so we just write 1 digit there, and then 5 minus we don't have nothing. 5 minus nothing is 5. So this is 54. So we didn't do any regrouping here. So this is there is no regrouping here in this example. So when do we do regrouping? So regrouping happens when the second digit, so we use the same rule here. So we separate the place values and we check the ones place digit. If the bottom number is bigger than the top number, then we cannot subtract it because we cannot take away 7 from 3. So that's why this number, the top number, should be bigger. So how can we make this bigger? So that is the trick we need to do. To do that, we need to borrow from a bigger. So we need to make this bigger. So how is that possible? So if we borrow 110 from the tens place number, which is 3, so if I get 110 from this number, so 110 means 10 ones in ones place, 10 ones in the ones place. So 1 is 10 in the tens place, so we can write that clearly. 110 is equivalent to 10 ones. So if we get 110 from the tens place, this becomes 1 less 10, so it becomes 2 tens. And then if we add 10 ones to the ones place, so we don't have any change in the numbers value, it's still 33. We just replace the values from tens place to ones place temporarily. So this 10 is added to this 3 right here, plus 3. So our new value is 13 here. So this 3 is not 3 anymore, so that is 13. So now we can subtract this two numbers from each other. So 13 is bigger than 7. That means 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So 6 is 1 digit, and we can copy it right below. And now we have left here 2, so it's not 3. So we need to cross this so we don't confuse ourselves. So it's not 3 anymore. So we have 2 left here. 2 minus nothing, it's still 2. So answer is 26 to this problem, 33 minus 7. So if we explain this with base 10 blocks, so let's draw our base 10 block table. So this represents ones place, this represents tens place. So in tens place, how many in the beginning, how many tens I had? 3 tens. So I will draw 3 10 rods. So this represents combination of 10 ones block, like this one blocks. So I have 3 ones block in the ones place. So what I want to do, I want to take away 7 ones block from ones place, which is not possible because I don't have enough ones here. So this is the subtraction problem here. So what we need to do, basically, we need to make the ones place bigger, more ones here. So each one of these represents 10. So what do? We borrow 110. So I'm going to take this, let's take this one outside, this 10 block to here, to the ones. So this 10 doesn't fit in here actually. What do we need to do? We need to convert this to small ones in the ones place. So I will draw 10 small 1 blocks here. So that will make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what happens to this 10 block? This is gone. This is not needed here because we cannot fit this here. So I have total of, so this is 7. Now I can take away 7 from this number because I have 13 blocks here. So 1 from 7, 1 from 13, 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 1 from 7, 1 from 13. So now we are done with subtraction. So how many ones I have left? So the ones I didn't mark out, I have six ones block I have here. So this represents 6. I'm just gonna write the number below here, 6. And we have 2 tens block here. So 10 plus 10 here, that makes 20. That means 2 tens in the tens place. So we have 2 in the tens place. So we find also 26 with base 10 block solution here in this side of the problem solution. So I hope this video is helpful and you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.